Hey everybody, Anthony here at SpecialtyMotorcars.net. I got a real treat to show you a preview of this week. 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. This car has got 38,800 original miles. This particular car was owned by a good friend of mine, a fellow Cadillac collector in Houston, Texas. And I had a customer reach out to me who was looking for this exact car in Florida. I was able to put the two together, rehome this beautiful 1995 Fleetwood, and it's on its way to a good new home in Florida. It's been in Texas its whole life, built in Arlington, Texas, and owned right in the Houston area its whole entire life. It's heading out tomorrow morning, but I just want to give you a quick sneak peek and show you what it looks like. Dark Adriatic blue metallic with a blue matching vinyl top and a light blue leather interior. Very well equipped car with factory chrome wheels. It's got heated seats, obviously dual leather memory seats, all the Brougham features that these cars are known for. Beautiful interior, well preserved, well cared for car. The car even still has the blue protective film on the top of the door panel sills. It's a really nice survivor quality car. I was very happy to put the two together and get the deal done for him from the start, all the way to the logistics of shipping it out of Texas and heading straight for Florida. I appreciate everybody watching the channel. If you have any questions, you leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about these big Fleetwoods. I don't get them in too often, unfortunately not often enough, but this was a beautiful example. I was happy to help two friends come together on a beautiful, beautiful car. This car is heading out to Florida first thing in the morning. Appreciate you watching. Have a good night.